welcome back to another video. Today is Monday, December 16th. It is 6:24 a.m. and I'm having my cup of coffee, getting ready to start a new day, a new week. I like Mondays because I get to start a new week and just kind of start over. I used to not like Mondays, but now when I started looking at it in that way, I don't mind Mondays anymore. But today I actually have a fun day planned with my mother-in-law. We're actually going to try to make pupusas. So, if you didn't know, I am Salvadorian. I was born in El Salvador and I moved to the US when I was 7 years old. And pupusas are pretty much one of our most favorite foods. It is, you guys will see what it is, but it is pretty much like the best way, and I don't like responding or describing it this way because it doesn't do it any justice, but it's like a stuffed tortilla, and you can do like cheese, you can do cheese and beans, you can do pork, cheese, beans, you can do different types of things, and they're delicious. And you can eat it with like tomato sauce and like a coleslaw looking thing. It's not coleslaw, but it looks like coleslaw, and it's so good. It's delicious. But I, being Salvadorian, do not know how to make pupusas. And my Guatemalan mother in law does. So she's going to teach me how to make them. And I'm, of course, going to film that because I've actually had people request that I show Salvadorian food. And I thought, what a better way to do it with my mother-in-law, and she's been making them for us like maybe like twice since we moved here, and it's really hard to find pupusas here in Alicante. I know in Madrid you can, because we have been to a few places in Madrid with Salvadorian food, but not here in Alicante. We haven't found any just yet, so my mother-in-law has been making them for us. So yeah, that's what's going to happen today. All right, let's get our day started. So we're back from dropping off the boys at school. It was a little hectic, but we did it. And in a little bit, I'm going to leave. I'm going to take the bus to go meet up with my mother-in-law so that we can make the pupusas. But I was trying to think of ways to get a little bit more creative while making the video for the pupusas. So I am going to be using the Insta360 Go 3S camera. I am so excited for this because I feel like it's going to level up my shots. I can use this camera to get different angles and different clips. I'm really excited to be partnering up with them for this video. So prepare to be sick of me now that I'm gonna have this camera. So this right here is a pocket-sized camera. It's vlogging friendly. It's perfect for those of us that are shy vloggers. So I have been doing this for a while and I'm still very shy when it comes to vlogging in public. Believe it or not, I'm still very shy, and the longer I do this, the more shy I get. And with this camera, it's a perfect way for you to be able to capture everyday moments, vlogging, day in the life type of videos, whatever it is that you're trying to create, or even very creative videos, while you're also being discreet. It is magnetic, so you can mount it anywhere you want. That way you're able to get any creative shots or just get any different type of shot that you're trying to get. And it comes in a little action pod right here that you can add. It's magnetic, so you can just pop it in there like that, and then you can record and then have like hands-free POV, which is what I'm gonna try to do while we're making the pupusas. Like try to have some sort of hands-free POV, that way you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. Look at how tiny it is. Look at compared to my thumb, it is so tiny. It is pocket-sized, lightweight, and perfect for you to be able to just put in your pocket and travel and still be discreet while you're still getting your shots. It does film in 4K, which is really nice, so that I'm able to get these videos looking good for YouTube. And also, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do the POV. I just put on this pod right here, this magnetic pod that I can put underneath my shirt, and I can, look at this, check this out. I can just go like this and it sticks to my shirt and I can record. And then with the action pod, you can see exactly what it is that I'm doing. So it's like a viewfinder, so it doesn't have to necessarily be attached to it, and you can still see what it is that you're recording to make sure that you're in frame and all that, which I think is really cool. This is actually waterproof. The action pod isn't, but this is. The camera is waterproof, so you can do clips of you like washing the dishes or in the shower or something like that. I think this is so cool, and I really like the fact that it films in 4K, like I said. Now, if you're like me and you like using a tripod to vlog, all you have to do is use this little stand attachment right here. It is magnetic, so you just put it on the camera like that, and that way you add a tripod here, you just screw it on, and then you just have the ability to vlog like this, which is pretty cool. So
I am absolutely in love with this camera. I love the fact that it's going to be magnetic and I can mount literally anywhere. So I am going to leave a link in the description box down below. That way you guys are able to take advantage of the holiday sale that Instant360 is having. And you're able to get your hands on one of these cameras, especially if you're looking to start your channel or your content creating journey in this next year. This would be a perfect time to get it. And that way you're able to vlog even if you're shy, like I am sometimes. So thank you so much to Instant360 for sponsoring a portion of this video. So I'm going to get ready and head out the door right now because I'm meeting her like at 10:30 and it is 9:40, so it takes me about 20 minutes to get there. All right, so let's go. All right, it is a lot later. We are home now. We picked up the boys from school and I'm about to have a pupusa. So this is what it looks like. So I cut it up into pieces and you can eat it in different ways. You can eat it with tomato sauce or without tomato sauce, but I like it with tomato sauce. And this is a finger food. You eat this with your hands. George will eat it with a fork and a knife, but he's not Salvadorian, so we'll let that one slide. But this is a finger food and you just eat it like this and it's so good. But I'm also gonna do some laundry and get some stuff done around the house, catch up on housework a little bit, and then probably get to editing this video. That way I'm able to stay on track and be consistent with the posting. So I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box down below so you're able to check out the Insta360 Go 3S camera. And you can get your hands on it, especially like I said, if you're a shy vlogger, you're able to get your start into vlogging without being all out there with a big old camera. So don't forget to check out the link in the description box down below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.